HMS Severn is a River-class offshore patrol vessel of the Royal Navy. Named after the River Severn, the ship is the first to bear the name in 56 years. She was built by Vosper Thornycroft in Southampton to serve primarily as a fishery protection unit within the United Kingdom's waters along with her two sister ships Mersey and Tyne. All three were commissioned into service in 2003 to replace the 5 older Island-class patrol vessels. The ship was decommissioned in 2017, but the government decided to recommission her as part of Brexit preparedness, and the ship was therefore refitted in 2020. Severn was built by Vosper Thornycroft Shipbuilding at its shipyard in Woolston, Southampton. Following construction, she was launched on 1 January 2003 as the second vessel of her class. Along with her sister ships, she was among the first vessels to be privately funded by industry and leased to the Royal Navy for 5 years. On expiry of this lease, the Royal Navy had the option to either purchase the vessels or return them to VT. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.